Hey guys, so I just wanted to do an unboxing of a new product I've got. This is the Theragun G3 percussive therapy device. So this is a massage gun. We'll just have a quick look at the back here. It's designed for professionals, made for everybody. It helps with pain, daily multi-speed functionality, relieves minor aches and pains from muscles, cramps, spasm and knots. Chronic, fast, natural way to alleviate muscle tension from chronic alignments. Then you've got fitness for warm-up and recovery, so pre-workout, post-workout. Wellness to feel better and live better. It says it helps decrease stress, enhance body awareness and vitality, and increase range of motion and improve posture. So this one here is the middle of the range Theragun. So there's the one below it, which is the Live, and there's the one above it, which is the G3 Pro. So this one has 40 pounds of force that you can apply to the top of it before it stalls. It just says there, stall force 40 pounds. It's got a twin speed motor. So you got 2400 RPM and 1750 RPM. It's got the triangle shaped multi-grip handle, and this model has the built-in battery that lasts for approximately 60 minutes. All the Theraguns have the 16mm amplitude, so the throw, and this one comes with 4 interchangeable attachments, so the dampener, the standard ball, the thumb and the cone. So let's get it open. The Live only comes with 2, and I think the G3 Pro comes with 6. And the G3 Pro has more stall force. I think it's 60 pounds, and the Live, the lower one, has only a 30 pound stall force. So this is the middle of the range. Nothing in that box, a bit of silica gel in there. So this is fantastic. It's a great size too, like for if you want to take it away traveling or whatever. So that's a little case for it. Let's get into this. Okay, so it's a bit smaller than what I thought, which is nice. So this is the Theragun here, and you can see you can hold onto it like that, hold it like that, hold it like that, so you can really dig into your muscles. I'm pretty sure that's the dampener because it's quite soft. Then you've got the small ball. Pretty sure that's what it said on the back. I'll just double check that. Yeah, so you got the dampener and the standard ball. We'll just check what comes in the top section up here. So that looks like the thumb, and there's the cone. And what have we got down in the bottom here? Feels like just a bit of packing foam down there, which it is. We don't need that. Then in here we've got our charger. So that just plugs into the front there. It's quite a large charger. Don't need that. And then we've got some paperwork in here. So that's telling you about the guy that developed Theragun. What else have we got? Theragun sticker. Theragun G3, turn on and float. Step 1, get the Theragun app. Step 3, live your best. So using it is very simple. You turn it on, it's got a switch to switch between the 2 speeds and turn it off. There's literally only the 2 buttons on it right there. So power and then the speed. Connecting the attachments, line up the attachment with the tip. To remove, simply pull off the attachment, pretty basic. Charging the G3, plug the charger in, LED battery indicator will start flashing, very simple. So it's a very simple device to use, and it also does have an app that you can get on the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store. So I'll download that and give that a go. That's just letting you know about the app, and then just your warnings. So yeah, that's the unboxing. I'll charge it up, and I'll give it a bit of a go, and I'll put up a review of what I think about it. I do have a older style vibration massager, which I might do a bit of a comparison on that, just to see what the big difference is between the percussive and the vibration. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Cheers.